press the power button.
That's the power button there. Okay, cool.
And then the menu will come up right here.
And what does that tell me?
So first is speed.
Okay.
Second is range.
Okay.
And that tells you how much battery life you have. So
Okay,
you've got
so
36 miles left.
Okay.
And how much mileage you use on the battery depends on how much pedal assist you're using.
Okay.
So 0 pedal assist, you can go for 36 miles. And then with the most pedal assist 4, it drops down to about 25 miles.
Okay, so if I don't use the pedals at all, I'm going to get about 20. If I use
Yeah.
the pedals, I'm going to get 36.
Yeah.
Okay, I got that.
And then next is the pedal assist, the PAS.
Okay.
So you can start at 0 and go up to 4.
Okay.
So it's 0 through 4 for the amount of pedal assist. And then you don't have to be on this setting in the menu to be able to go up and down on it.
Okay.
You can just hit those buttons anytime to go up and down.
Okay, so if I want it to help me pedal, I go up. If I
Yeah.
want to leave it right here, I'm just pedaling.
Yeah.
No electricity.
So because it's no electricity, but because the motor's on the hub right there, you have to have some electricity in order to be able to move because the electric torque prevents the pedals from moving.
Okay.
But it'll feel like you're not getting any assistance from the motor at 0. So
Okay.
you just don't want to. You can't pedal if the battery's dead.
Right. Oh, I can't pedal if the battery's
Yeah.
dead. So I do not want to let it go dead, right?
Right.
Then how would I have to walk it back?
You'd call us. We'd come pick you up.
Okay, now I get your card.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so over here, what is all this stuff?
So this is the throttle.
Okay.
So you don't have to pedal. You can always just hit the throttle.
Oh, it just goes
and
forward.
It just goes. Yeah.
And then I just keep my feet on the pedals, right? All right.
Yep.
And what is this called?
It's a Super 73.
All right, Super 73. All right, so I guess I should take it for just a spin in the parking lot and make sure that I know what I'm doing, right?
Sure. That
Okay,
sounds
let's
good.
do that.
Okay. You want me to?
Here's my throttle. I'm going to take it for a little spin. Brakes are here, right?
Yep.
This is the front brake or the back brake?
I
We'll
think
find-
front brake is left, back brake is right.
Front brake, back brake. This is my throttle. I put my foot down and I just go, right?
Yep. Go
There you
ahead.
go. Hey, so far so good. So now I'm just pedaling. Then I hit the throttle. And then the brake, I gotta remember to do this. My bike at home, I go backwards.
Oh, okay.
I started to do that on the way out. All right, I think I got
Do
it.
you have a Schwinn at home?
I have a bikes.com. I bought for $100.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, thanks, man. All right, they made me wear the helmet, but look at this. Riding the electric bike, checking out everything all by myself, looking for bears. Haven't seen any yet, but if I do, I got the bike, it goes pretty fast. I don't know if I can outrun a bear. I hope I can. Oh my God, I'm out here by myself in the wilderness. This is crazy.